We are living in these last days, in a horizon, oh yeah, on a thirsty age. God sent Elijah, his prophet again, that he might come to us and bring the rain. Oh yeah, so let the rain come on down. Oh yes, and let the thunders roll. Lord, filling me up. Oh yeah, let me overflow till I can't take no more. Oh yeah, filling me up. Oh Lord, let me overflow till I can't take no more. When you are, oh saints, a seed of corn, oh yeah, you gotta be planted, oh yes, in this world to die. Oh yeah, your body might be changed, oh yes, in the earth, oh yes, but it would bring you life, oh yeah, with eternal growth, oh yeah. So let the rain come on down, oh yes, and let the thunders roll. Lord, filling me up, oh yes, let me overflow till I can't take no more. Filling me up, oh yes, Lord. Let me overflow till I can't take no more. In these last days, saints, we are living in, oh yeah, we know the life that is within us, it will spring again. And as small as a mustard seed, oh saints, it will grow. Oh yes, and as big and wide, branches flowing over on the other side. So let the rain come on down, oh yeah, and let the thunders roll. Lord, filling me up, oh yeah. Let me overflow till I can't take no more. Oh yeah, filling me up, yeah Lord. Let me overflow till I can't take no more. I want the rain, oh yeah, to give me faith. I want the rain, oh Lord, to give me virtue. Let the rain come and give me knowledge. I want the rain, oh, to give me temperance. Let the rain come and give us, oh, some patience. I want the rain, oh, to give us, oh, godliness. Let the rain come and give us brotherly kindness and charity. That's the super anointed power to be seen in us. So let the rain come on down, oh yes, and let the thunders let it roll. Oh Lord, filling me up, oh yeah. Let me overflow till I can't take no more. Oh yeah, filling me up, oh yes Lord. Let me overflow till I can't take no more. I want the former